chase, you know. Boy chase no good for nothing. If you ever see our own name, sir, I think down to you could have been him.
Shit. Let me go check. Pull up the stream, Gabba, and tell me if you are here. All on the voice chat tonight.
That's about it, you know. Alan right now. Bomb bomb, probably dead.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
No, I'm get that air landing.
You probably dead, yeah. You got me a good radio?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this kid is one.
Right.
Kill him.
He was so one. The kid and nobody is one.
Oh, man doesn't stay around better. What the hell?
Let's come on, you want it?
I'm gonna drop back at 40. Oh my god, bro. Literally, I lag out hell. Yo, we can't land in place today. Get you.
Like, I can't believe this, brother.
You wanna use t-shirt?
I don't know why the game chat audio sound like that on the stream. Let me see if I can fix it first. Boom. Properties. Oh my god, it's an echo. I don't know why game chat sounds so like low key.
Wait, give me a sec.
Right, Chaos, I don't know why I'm stream share up my life. What party leader? What party leader? I feel nice tonight. Might give us some credit. On the stream, I'll give you credit.
Unlock.
Yeah.
Give me some credit.
If you win, your backside, Chaos.
So true. I do it, maybe. Ah, yo, I don't know about me.
My journey,
I tell us,
yeah,
yeah. Tell us, it's terrible. It's trash.
my journey. My journey from my PlayStation. Can you hear me, right?
No, we're not.
Yo?
We're not here.
Yo?
No, we're not here. I joke,
my teammates
we're here. One man a rush a Chaos. No! Stop being weird, kid.
I've got a good thing seminar on it, you know.
My kill for my kid and third party can kill me.
I'm gonna kill my kid and grab all the way out, so.
I good things I'm not know.
Yeah, I got dead. Anyway,
You want bet?
but
Put up a skin
Gabba,
right
come
now.
out of voice shot now.
I'm not in a voice chat.
Yes, you are.
I'm not talking there though.
Bro, hold on. Let me talk. Bro, moving stay funny. Oh, the GM. And two tag and GM go.
And put up a money.
we're not here, brother.
Put them out with your money then.
Yeah, I hear it. Come on, guys. Come on, boy, you're not here.
Brother, I'm not get my kill. I'm not get my finish.
No, you can't. I know you can't give me.
Can't do.
Can't give me. I'll give me
Go back,
15
collect your card,
minutes.
my brother. Watch your man,
See
man.
my reboot, my kid. Where enough card for?
Go back upon some idleness, brother. I try to show off 990.
Oh, look my name, but I'm really dead too.
Wow, Gabba.
Bomba me there.
Alright.
Wow. Wow.
Minis.
And please don't show them something about yourself. Somebody
Put
else.
some there.
Kill like it then.
I'm just
get
get
reboot.
reboot. Oh my god. You wash, rinse and repeat, brother. Wash, rinse and repeat. Not even want to hear nothing from you. Just don't talk for your side. Don't talk for your side, night. Just don't talk for your side.
Yo,
36%.
just shut up. Just shut up.
No, I hear nothing
Just
from
shut
your
up. Don't
side.
talk to me for your
Una
side,
go
brother.
Blah blah blah.
Dead
We
to
don't want to
you.
hear nothing. We don't want to hear nothing from you.
dead, me I do my
We don't want to hear nothing from you. Because you run past my card, you can prove yourself. If you didn't play like you're supposed to play, you could have killed them man a while ago.
I show you a stream, my boy, I try to show off in hand.
That messy, brother.
Brother, if the man them a reboot, man I must try kill them for them pop it.
Man, have to be worse flipping Fortnite player, brother.
Man can't talk still to him.
What?
The dead man can't really talk still to him.
You dead three worse set of people, the man of them
That
kill
me I
me.
say not even them kill me.
Exactly, you know I'm not. You know I'm not official look idiot boy. That me have to tell you.
Oh, that
Do
better.
you
Oh,
two
me
of them
still
me a
keep me
chat?
better.
Hey.
Believe
Do
us.
you two of them me a talk?
Get them friggin' shot there by bad man. I come on miss.
Cause he
You dead to a man with a
Don't me have
pistol, gabba.
military have a
Cause
military. No, me stop.
he dead to a rebooted man.
Hello. Me have a our man just get reboot. There's a medallion. And the mythic sent from Peter Griffin and go over there go get pistol with bad man.
In my life?
You remember that? No.
That's your real life. That's your real life.
Man. Swear from my
That's your
life,
real
bad man.
life.
Oh
You kill the man,
shoot.
teammate,
God
and
will
you're dead
kill
to the man with the
God
pistol.
will kill him.
You're
God
dead
will
to the
kill
man
him.
with the pistol.
I think
So if you be your
God will
son,
kill
someone
him.
sitting around in my back.
God will kill him. God will
So
kill
if you
him.
be
You did
your
dead though? Where you dead? Where you dead? Where you dead?
Me
Alright,
did tell
just
you
shut up.
about
Stop
pistol
telling lie.
and you say,
Stop telling
no,
lie, boy, man.
you just get to a pistol. No way. Okay, you
Man lie.
remember that? No? Okay.
Gabba, no me block you because
How
you
can
tell
I
lie now.
talk?
Look
I
at
need
me.
to lie,
Lawyer
dog.
too.
You know, remember I lie you a tell, dog.
With the man.
But I'm on 10 ping right now.
Yeah, someone could chat about dead to pistol.
Bro, I can't dead to pistol and a man, and I know a man I get reboot. Dumb.
Like you, dumb.
What?
Come on, better not like a pistol friggin' shit, better. Him and they have more HP than me, that I want. And I like somebody
Man, you have shield and everything. You have shield.
Idiot boy.
You have shield.
Now I'm gonna replay the
You,
game after this, dog. Cause you just turn off your mouth at this point,
you
brother.
pop it mini, and the man come and take off the mini off of your head, cause you suck.
Dog, I honestly done, dog. I don't talk to you.
Like for real, my post the clip is sitting for my status and say yo, might be giving away some free credit. Like I don't may I expect people to join the live. Black people just done so them feel like them all just tears for them and
Yes, I free credit one night.
yeah, I know what if I know you better talk back here. But me have a bunch of people. Yeah. Because I don't know what it.
I tried to get a reboot in man dead. I love it, yeah, man dead.
You have to go watch the stream for a while. When I'm ready to give away the credit will be given away. Miss Ayana. Happy birthday though.
How much credit you give?
Happy birthday, Ayana.
How much credit you give youth?
You want credit?
No, me not Jamaica.
Exactly.
Man, nah, give it a scam, we nah get scam. Lift up out
No, so me give her credit one night.
Lift up.
So me give her credit one night. Move for answer.
I scam not get scam. Me did day night
you
man
the
you not get nothing.
We did day in that stream, let's go better.
Want to stop spreading fuck again upon your mind.
Every day in that stream, I'm walking. Done. I am there.
Right, I don't know how much you give man. How much if you give a credit, how much you give?
If I ever go, we'll go like 3 bills.
Alright, every win we get you have to give away $100. If we get one win that's $100, if we get 2 win at $200, yeah?
Alright, let's go, bet.
Every win at $100.
So for every win a bills.
Grab a tape.
Grab a tape, but I'm not supposed to play on a part, dog.
For every win we
Shut
get,
up,
we give a $300 worth of
supposed to
credit.
play on a part, but every minute on the dead.
Get out
To
of this
somebody.
kid, shut up.
No matter, dog, when it's still dead, brother, that I will find better.
Share live for me, Punky. No, come in here, come sit down and look like share it. Tell a man to come chat to you over here, sir. The fuck you mean? You're gonna wanna make all of Miss players.
You're gonna feel like that.
Share the live, tell them it's a free bag juice over here. Bag juice and cola.
Then know the code, man.
No, come on. Oh, no, come on. Oh my god.
First girl, no gunman, no subscribe to Unloved Live. One of the worst Fortnite players.
The best. The
I'm gonna stop on top shot number down. Come on over, see.
Hey, look a boy, look at me.
Alright, you're not an idea, you know. After what you just pull off, you know, brother.
Brother, only the
Yeah,
dead.
tell
Only dog, I honestly don't chat to you now, dog. Call now, dog, dead, brother.
You man, I sound like him a ball.
I can't kill 2 months
Stop.
giving you life, dog.
Stop
Yeah,
crying,
but
kid.
I
Stop
love
crying,
it.
kid.
What you can afford, Travis? Come, give us some t-shirt.
Cheat.
On behalf of Travis, we'll give her $125 Amazon gift card.
On the street.
Courtesy of Travis.
You just want people here, you don't care about.
Right, Travis?
I don't know, I'm on dog shit one right there, so lock him up with that.
What? Oh, my name. Come in, Chaos, my
Oh,
fight.
goddamn dead dog.
Come, no Chaos.
I'm with you.
Oh my god, my dead.
Or,
Wanna go help,
or
governor?
I know you may wait for nigga.
So what you wait for me for?
Oh, man, come here, dog.
Don't left.
Yeah, take forever. The man
Don't
decides
let.
him want trouble by himself and say,
Look.
just grabbing card.
Dog, I'm so dumb, brother. You know, you chat about Travis this, Travis that.
Come in a car. Come in a car.
Yeah. Go. Sorry, move on right here, listen.
but so I ain't gonna push myself, brother. I said, but probably about 50 times much about Travis, you know the money. This, that,
You
this.
must so like you are go back.
I give a
You
ball.
must so. You must so like.
I love the dog shit, but I live funny. Man can't even follow simple instructions, bro. I swear.
Why bro? You so you for the cry. What am I dead?
Oh, come on, man. Can't answer shit, brother.
Go on, look you loot up. You loot up.
Dog shit, man, brother. Come on.
No, I'm dog. I will give it.
Chop home me dead to pistol and win the dog.
Well, I can't feel it.
Man,
Well, I can't
Hey, I
feel
pistol a body, me no, I pistol a body.
man a forward. Yeah, watch
Man
it,
a forward,
watch
man a
it,
forward.
watch it.
A two. I know, but we have to fight them. Make him get the
Yeah, yeah.
loot. How we quit that one? I cheer them.
One
Dead. One.
What's up? Give me loot.
One attack me.
May I come grab her?
Some of dog shit kill me.
Well, I know. Yeah, I'm still kill one of them, man. That's how I reload my shotgun.
Oh,
So the man for me. Dead two.
Now you cut it.
Meet him for 90 odd. Oh man.
You white, you tell the one. 20, dog tacker.
Crack.
Nice. And they
Dead.
can kill him, right? No, nice.
Over here, the worst crime.
Two dogs, you didn't even fair chat, brother, to your shit, dog. Stop chat, man.
You want V2, you can't talk to him.
Of course, we can chat to him. Yes, if you ever see him kill the first man, I'll go.
Oh, me kill the first man.
The man jump up and I told AI just kill that. Who will try them?
And the two I kill one and take forever, especially you, Gamma.
Yes. Because my name just get reboot, dog. Because I certainly have like a million matches.
But I mean, me see a man get reboot and kill man with a pistol still, so like.
You're trying me funny,
Right, Chaos? At least we see man get rebooted and kill a man with pistol. So I mean, we are aware that it is possible to kill people when you get rebooted, right, Chaos? Chaos, enough. Afraid to tell me the truth, you know, you can tell me the truth.
Did you die?
You can't tell him the truth, you know.
Top. Did you die or not? Answer.
Come and join with my friend, Gabba,
Did you
yeah?
die or not? Come out of my car with that. Fuck, dog. Man, this shit funny.
Cash.
Gabba.
Right now,
Go
you
on.
feel like a ball, yeah, boy. Who you call leader? Lower your tone, yeah? Lower your tone. That's why you're a ball, little girl. Be a ball, Man, tell my voice alone, so let me a ball. Yo, lower your tone, brother.
Yeah, what me that cares?
I'm 5 years old, but I hear
What you say?
something like that.
Repeat,
7-0 a day bank account.
Because not chat that about they took his style with like and now they can't beat me still. Stop chat, man.
Well, how you can't beat it? You're probably
No,
worse now.
you are unloved can't beat me, I'm more.
Over here, the worst crime.
You're probably worse now,
Okay.
You
And
are
still
probably.
you can't beat me, I'm wash.
Oh, my name rich now, you know, you can't attack.
Nah, brother, come with this, I say.
You're probably worse now.
Okay, bro.
Chaos,
Coming
leave
from
him alone.
the actual worst in the lobby. Crazy.
Alright. I guess.
No, like once a real man made no joke dog, you actually worse in the lobby right now, brother.
Oh,
Man,
is that serious? Are you being so for real?
I guess he must snipe. Him sit on back of his stone.
Don't sniper, don't sniper.
Buckland!
Man, them must be done since Fortnite player, brother. Go jump in a one car.
Are you sitting on low? Oh my god. Whoa,
Wall in.
Fire, son, brother.
Yeah, we have to find a way out. Hold on now.
On my wall. You take box. You need help?
Dead.
One day.
We crack 189, sir.
Hold on, drinking.
Got him.
Yeah.
Coming, crap, dead.
Where other one there? Him the far road. Maroon. Why?
SMG.
No, white. Maroon.
Wait.
We over some. Please, good sniper. Alright, cool.
This me have.
Oh, that's a jump. Man, I want that better. Took too long for you.
Where Monday?
Go on, effort.
Yeah, this one.
What blues? Coming up none. Like literally none.
You probably know so.
Yeah, blues, grabber.
And then you have medallion, brother?
No, grab Harvey.
Boy, oh boy.
See him down there, so see him down there, loot.
Where? That man, bro. Yeah, your team push down the dead and now you sneak.
All the stuff, yes?
Show it to me now.
Look how many just show it.
Yo, stop lower your tone when you talk to me now, brother. Actually, I get me pissed off now, brother. Me not laugh no, brother. Hey, boy, I'm tell you who dance, man. Tell you, hey, boy.
What I try to keep my sleep a prank.
Tell your mother.
On the feminine house
my
side.
God. Like a million cents, right? You can't sell off. You can do for 10 I do.
Well, I'm camping Discord.
But
You
you
want me
must
to
get the
keep-
card them already.
You not get your job, me not see you run back.
Oh my fucking god.
Ah.
Oh, me I can't pick your door.
Man, I left that one thing so we talk about the camp card and it.
Oh, who have on purple shotgun? I think on purple shotgun there, so you know.
Penny
No,
for me.
I lie, then take it out. Oh no, take it out.
But me have a mythic shotgun. Yo, forward.
Oh, yes, man.
Why that sound so like?
Yeah, set it.
Why are them free coming from Fuzzy? Me see you coming some, I'm not to look for you.
How you sound? You want medallion? Give me, please, cause I want jump man, so I just love cycle. Please don't take it.
Jump me up to.
What? I want him fuzzy.
My brother, Blaze.
You idiot, but I joke. Oh, you better how much, I know? About 6, no? I mean 10.
11, I think.
How much?
I think 11.
Right, you
11.
young dog.
That's a
Never see a vagina.
Yo. Which one of them snipe they come from?
See, man, see you, next
Yeah.
It's a team.
110. 110 for
Knock. 116 again.
Me think there is him. White?
There's no way the person murdered.
There is, I think.
No, Gabriel, they get him. Think they get him. They killed 2 of them.
One it is.
Dead.
In the air, don't cast.
No, they are Chirish.
In res,
Just
man, in
driving my
res, in
face
res.
with
Me
something.
not
In
get
a
no.
res.
But me not get that finish, yeah.
See if Gabby kill him back.
The man just done so.
Oh. That time the man kill him back.
Bro, no, you did get the finish. Look how much kills you have now, love. Man, don't.
5. Oh yeah, true.
Yes, I did 4, yeah.
Bro, I'm sniping man, what you mean? How is that stealing and
No
kill?
man, chaos
And me kill one by myself.
I'm beam up man them.
Me snipe 2 man while I got 116 and 1 Smiler right there, so.
Marks.
May I go for island, may I go for island.
Smiler right there, so.
I don't know why I worry about man also I go find and that.
Oh, you reach up there.
Yo man, no.
No, below the island. I below the island in there.
Oh. Hey, did I? Let me build a full base.
Them a chase him.
Who them a chase?
Man, I come up on zipline, Stay in there. Alright, I guess you come out.
Man.
Hi. How are you?
Oh, white. White craft dead.
Hi.
Me have 2 for
How
me.
are you? Huh?
1 freaking shot.
Come to me.
You go punk. Go.
Go.
Far.
Me have 1 shot. And the other one knock and run and heal. Other one run and knock and heal. We're supposed to can see them on the map.
Yes. My marriage is finished.
Yeah.
When my marriage is finished from.
Who have... Oh, miss a minute. Go on.
Kirk. We need help.
Yeah, forward it.
Bro, what a teaming thing.
Man, I try and finish him, man. Man, just hardcore finish chaos. Push it.
Yo, go for island and reboot me, please.
Yeah.
More about the loot here.
I walk with them, it's here.
So I call him back, but no, just reboot
I'll
my
make
island.
it.
Close the door, please.
Wait,
Can you close the door, please?
What?
Please.
You can't make it out, Gabba.
Please.
No. Gabba, see there.
Jesus. No. Please? Yes, Sadie.
Where the friggin' sitting there? Where you move on there with your up here? If you don't just but I'm not see you move on.
Go out.
You move on the island, brother.
Yo, they get knocked, dog. Me have 4 medallion by the way, so yeah, you really need.
Bro, you got it for 5.
See, me tell you.
I'm dead, dog.
Me dead too. Me never know say 5 would have take for.
Intelligent dog.
Me never know land back for me. Or not.
Oh my god, land back boy.
Bro, if me never show grab my medkit.
Dog, why you not?
Bro,
God.
me never realized that I got do 5 pick, brother. I think I 2. So badly, bro.
Listen, dog. Me say just come out, brother.
So fucking badly.
So
fucking badly.
I'm gonna have to be worse. Me tell him man to go out and he's
Shut the fuck up. Yes, a reboot a fucking island first. I first thing that.
No,
You can't say we
Oh.
after. You can't say we after and then
Bad man. You never say nothing way after. The man say, Unloved, just
me
come
not
out.
even did a county zone them, brother.
Oh my god, you're just too done already, brother.
Brother, me never did a county zone.
Guys, y'all lost the $100 gift card credit right here because of your fellow streamer on Love. He sucks.
You know.
One out of 3.
How much medallion did I have gone? Much
Grabba just
medal
because
have you
Grabba
got?
just go and
No,
scraping up
four.
all I loot.
Four,
Nobody
right?
else could have get none,
Four enough.
right?
Me get
Yeah,
four.
nobody else could have get
Oh,
none.
no, me kill three of them and then dog.
Guap, 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 guap,
I'm
guap.
here, you know. Me kill, I four medallion me there, but they kill one next to you till me come out of zone. And then two other one push me. Me there all five of them. But that idiot just sell, dog.
I sold. I sold.
Yes, you sell, brother. Me kill one out of three of them and them. Where you there now? Two man a push more
You know
SMG.
what,
Where
make
you
a
there?
stop. Yeah, as from now on, I don't care about none of them me dead.
Yo, man.
No, I build
I
right
mean,
island. I build right
yeah, but
island.
you know, care about none of that. You need to start play with sense, brother. Cause dunce you play dunce.
No,
Them a chase him.
I play supportively.
Hey, you can't believe
Yo,
yo,
tell you, man, darling. Some far back, you know.
What?
yeah.
I call them you today, you know, me ears and make one bag of nice to you, know, man.
You can't believe say me tell unlove for company island.
Nick, I'm about some dumb. Dog, how you look about that,
You
thought,
have two
dog?
pop.
Hey, unlove like a shit.
If
Unlove like a shit. Everything
Hey,
them.
mama.
Unlove
Hey,
why
Rebel, go.
What about you
unlove
there,
why you
call?
no play. Unlove why you no play
Them
for
one
something
shot.
there.
And the other
Where
one
you
knock
go?
and run gun heal. Other one run gun knock out. We're supposed to can't see them from the map.
Ooh. Yeah, you can come play a game
Yeah.
with me for. We have different games we can play.
What? Oh, missing minute. Wrong.
What? So me have different games can play, of course.
Man, just yeah.
Once me have on this, you
Yo,
me
unlove
can't
say
hit.
me tell unlove did it. Go
Finish
help
him,
me.
man.
Some to the friggin' put on a shield and come dead.
Yeah, already.
But you never need me. See, you know, brother. 100.
Man, just hardcore finish chaos.
Look at all now, chat.
Push it.
Dog, the man say not you, guy and girl. So go for a chaos, the man think you're a girl.
What is it?
Look at that chat, dog.
You look at
Let's
you
see.
that brother. Hey, boy. Yo, you.
Guy and girl. So go.
Yo, I know.
A
I get
prank.
permission to send him up on there, mama.
You know, the
Yeah,
first
yeah,
time I
we
did
said
hear
girl.
chaos, the first time I did hear chaos, I thinking
Me
they
do
are
think
girl.
it's a girl. Me do swear it's a girl, dog. Me do swear that. I when somebody say,
Yeah,
how the hell can you that boy?
somebody say it to me.
A J man, they say, what the hell can you that boy? And I said, why? Me dead problem. I know wait
The
there.
man said girls, so he's trying to say two
I
girls.
know. Oh my god. I swear to God. See him say, I look like
You watch me a fight.
you never. Freaking love just guns. Yeah, just got down. I swear.
Brother, you
Man,
notice the
funny
amount
man,
of man
dog,
in
right?
the house, right?
Yes, man, funny man enough.
Big bomb
You can't
buckler.
really say this idiot here. Go push by himself.
Jamaican listeners smile them big bomb buckler.
No, I'm no business, brother. He probably have follow the friggin' trend on TikTok, easy bro.
Big bomb buckler, skip a bus on me head. All sexy girl say she want to give me head. When the pussy.
Yo,
Come on. Yo, you not play those, brother. Come on, after like 2 games. After one more game, God. Play some songs.
Yeah, about you. Chaos, nobody do that. Grab a card, them, brother. You gotta do the same thing with grab a them. Brother, that done gone already, you know.
Chat on Mickey, man. Box up. Oh, you know what? Nice. If I can, try farm the bush, yeah. Farm the bush then. Play that, what that's done. I call you one you can't get take up enough. Try get unloved card and just bait them with the reboot. Never mind. Don't left. Wait there. Fucked up. That's it, dog. I can't kill it. He can.
Me a lag dog. Me a lag. Can't do not call me upon 200 ping. Plus pocket loss. Oh no, make it PS4 kid, PS5 kid, I clutch up better.
Brother, I'm tell you something, I don't know.
Me explain how you did.
Somebody done for me side already, you know. I learn from unlove, right? Me think man is me learn from the man and brother, as me reaching at the house, me get my head bust off that. I think unlove the back of me and this nigga live on the opposite side of the house, dog. Me learn from the man and brother, as me reaching at the house, me get my head.
Mute chat now, brother.
Yeah, hit up a bomb mouth.
No? Mad now? Give me
Wait, my
mad now,
nigga.
youth.
Yes, sir.
Give me mad. Porn man nail life.
Hanamino. Crazy.
Give me mad now, youth.
Why you don't wait?
You man just one thing here to get collect.
Yo, turn down that, no, turn down that, turn down that, turn down that.
What?
Sing.
Yo!
Grabber. Grabber. Brother, I have no match dog. If I have match, I probably could have clutch up. You know? Brother, I like you saying.
Yeah, I'm not myself, you know.
Nah, open me man AFK too, you know. Man just feel with us untouched better, so you're hard for it then better.
Kill two.
Where they?
You know something else
So-
over there?
Soon come for that.
Where they?
Yeah, my friends, so.
I come to another dog.
Unloved. Unloved, you have a shield, right?
They don't got one AR, bro.
Yeah, one keep on me.
I come grab her. You're not on the shield, what's your yard?
My boss said.
Bro, one man there, sir. Two man there, sir. Much.
Grab why you hardcore pushing man them, brother? Man, try to get the shotgun. Man.
Yeah, man, me get. Yeah. Why? More one.
Two kids grab her.
Brother, and then never talk, so you're not dead set there.
Bro, just stop it chatting and go help, you know?
White one shot.
No, dog.
Dead.
Yeah,
I
though.
get full push. 34 for me. From wall.
Watch this man, I run through all of my wall, brother.
Bro, what it? Bro, I love him.
Shut the fuck, yeah, you may fight.
So now go play, me not play no more rank, brother. I don't forget help when you need help, or when me need help, me not forget man.
But now say you don't forget help, brother, but me I'm
Yo,
freaking fight.
shut up your mouth, brother. You take him man medkit. Give man he medkit na youth.
Fucking medkit. A fucking medkit.
Go reboot me no. Go
Stop.
reboot me no. Go
Fuck
reboot.
you.
Alright, you feel me really a laugh now, though. Go reboot me, brother.
Don't tell me, fucking reboot it when I feel like it.
This nigga straight at me a laugh with the man, brother.
Sure.
Man there. Oh, that boss.
Alright, boss.
Just love chat, brother, and just looseless.
Sebet.
Man, things.
What
Talk
I
to
told
me
me?
nice.
What I told
Talk
me?
to
If
me
you don't
nice.
want to raise me, I'm just back out them, brother. Feel me care you?
Sure.
Feel me care enough? I swear, brother, back out a while. Tell you that. See? No, you're dead. You're not. Ay, worse freaking for that. Look how long your man get to reboot me. How long your man. Brother, me come offline, brother. The man get long for reboot me and I turn up did it, brother. And the big man kick. Come offline, brother. I end up my infinite, brother. I swear by everything, dog. I'm not play about it, brother. Oh, bumbo cleat sense the youth and have better. I swear to God, youth. Oh, long him man for reboot me, man did a troll in man game, brother.
Me and all the fellas?
But I swear if he dead, me not call the king card, no, brother. I mean, you know
I
that.
did see him. If you dead, man, I have a card either.
I swear to me, I laugh, brother. Any you dead, me not call the king card, brother. Man, me right, me put that front up. You thought, grab another dead to you, yeah, boy?
That one after that.
Come here, wait till grab a
Yeah, you
card
are
done.
going to
Me
die
wait
before.
till,
You
me
are going to
wait
die
till
before. As per
your
usual.
card done, me reboot, grab a. Remember me tell you that.
As per usual, you will die before.
Me I laugh. I sure
We
I laugh
know
now.
who the better player is.
Tell your ma.
Oh, trust me, she knows.
Grab a man the right a reboot a turn up in a. And then as the man them come up now, the man want reboot my brother.
I
Nah,
said, but
man,
it's here the
dog.
man then.
Last game this me I play, brother. I swear to my life, dog. Swear the friggin' 11%. No friggin'.
I used 7 points last night, no?
Tell your mother. Or me
Who
say the
7
points and I
points?
come
Who
off
7
line.
points?
Or me say the points if I come off line.
So we need
much
a
sense.
play. We need a play.
Bro, we did I get more than 10 kills every game. I know you tell lies, so me I sell the points now. Alright, me I come on. Me not play about it every show now. Man, we only have to camp to kill me and chat off you because thinking more.
Camp to kill you.
I'm telling you, it's better. Loyal to now, better.
Me have a camp to kill you. You want 1v1 it?
I don't really care, okay, you're not good.
Okay. Remember.
Yo, shut up your mouth now, better.
Remember.
Bombard.
Just remember. That night, brother.
Get annoying, better.
We know who the fucking better player is.
That's why nobody no want in a OPS no more. Cause you shit, you just make it trash. Word. If you in there trash, you know, there's no lie.
So, first of all, you know better than me.
I'm better than you.
Wishing.
For sure, no, you only better than me in a creative. You ever see me trying a creative? No. Exactly, so shut the hell up, brother.
I'm not that fuck. What is it? I'm gonna die.
Never yet see me trying a friggin' creative, brother.
Calling me, bro.
Like, lock chat. Starting. Right, I get annoyed. One kill, I could not take down. Let me get talking. Now I'm a chair solo. Supposed to be involved here. Oh my god. Down this first. Oh my fucking god. Lose the man them! Anyway, fuck this.
Love. Ah.
Make me wanna shout.
Garbix.
Saudi, late in the zone.
Where the fuck you go?
Come on, man, I have to come sell him on them pants, you know. No? They don't stinking elite lobby.
Yeah. Love isn't easy, brother. You just need fucking good.
You say I'm losing most.
We not lose no fighting.
If we lose, I'm gonna lose the points. If we win, me still not gain the points because it's harder to
Zien.
gain. Yo,
Unloved till on the mic, unloved.
my mic is on, bro. Hold on, mic check. Oh fuck,
And
no.
they say not have no love.
Shit.
Mankind, nah, no love.
Yo, mic check. Mic check. Oh yeah.
Mike us.
Suck yourself.
Mic check.
I chop.
Yeah, give 271%, you know. Marge, give 3. Today.
Tonighted.
I am rich. Tonight.
Tonighted.
And I'm on in 1 o'clock. I'm on in 12:01 Marge. Elite.
I lead.
If I went I
Reaper sound like you're gonna sit down with him all night tonight.
No, sir. You know you say God got him, man.
How would I go with him?
Me nah go.
become sleep out today already, you know. Game in the night.
Yeah, this fucker.
Sleep for the day.
So come here work tomorrow morning. Let's see what I look for him.
Man, no work. See him what again?
Bro, I feel like we have to go buy the battery pass there and that. I feel like I have battery pass.
Let's piss off the fuck, so.
Yeah, the birdie skin too, the birdie skin.
Bird.
Bird.
I want that emote, bro.
You feel like
It has to be in the battle class. Isn't that thing? What that? Isn't that fat dude from Family Guy?
Yeah.
Snotty?
Yeah.
Peter? So it has to be in the battle pass then.
That me, I say.
hey, man, I twang.
Oh, twanging.
Buy battery pass, brother.
Who's twanging, bro?
Look after this match.
Twanging.
Llama, I see a llama.
Mother, bro.
I see a llama.
The way you see a llama.
Alright, here we go.
Where we going?
After the match, yes.
Where you going? Oh.
Go for the llama.
Run down the give one. Which one I land, bro?
But how do you see that llama?
Yes, everybody except Zian. Zian just not care no more. Zian like, what this bomber clap on the money time?
Bro, what is your settings on, bro?
Yeah, but can't get used to it now, guys. I'm telling you, fuck.
Way too much time for that, man.
Bro.
Man, I don't care.
I don't for the llama, brother. So who get fucking gun? What happened? Bomber class, see early.
Oh, me there, boy, I get that gun, bro.
Watch out, pistol, Fortnite, you're fucking the best. Watch out! No, man, stop, bomber class llama and this shocky man them now.
I tell you, bro.
I go feed cab, no worry.
Cause you know a basic mindset of Fortnite players. The minute they see donkey, they want to rape it.
There's so much I with you, know, that's not fair, bro.
Everybody!
Oh my god.
Man say, see that kid, they want to rip it.
That's true, man. That's true.
Every man want to beat their stick on a donkey.
Oh, I see man a pick up the donkey while I go, man. Oh god, sorry for you.
Not me, bro. You gonna have a donkey.
Well, you feel like close to it, don't you? Think
Yeah,
about
man,
it.
another area.
Think about
Yes,
it.
yeah, I stay in that area.
Oh my! 125.
White, you know.
Why you going the wrong way?
I'm just done fighting, but more likely I think my friends. I think Garban are gonna need some friends.
Reaper.
Yeah.
Said we.
But TG there.
Yeah.
Wait, you might kill Alama too?
No, you see man kill me. I don't want to kill me. Fucking white ass nigga.
Run in for them now. Why you know?
Dirt. Depot.
I'm going to the depot there. But listen, you know.
Ooh, no, man, that me man. Listen, man. The ass up in there, no?
Outside. But nobody get every time idea.
You got
Yo,
move.
man, give them time idea, man. Man, give them, man. The ass, yeah, one of them white.
Oh yeah, the shockwave. Shotgun
You
right in
shockwave,
front
man?
of you. Shotgun right in front of you.
No time for that.
Got them on the out, brother. Okay, fuck. Shoot.
Watch your back.
Nice comes. The dog shot me, I run off your fuck.
I just see him one man there run up and down and try to save him one life.
Run.
Use my little med kit now, yeah.
Man, a persistent, you fuck still, you know? My
Yo,
God.
The buster.
See, but go jack that Jamaican Fun. Alright, so can't complain. It's a good game so far. Is it? Nah, man, is it? And thing.
No, I'm not for complain, cause the fucking lose no bias now. The man them reboot too.
Right, that's it, no.
But I have no
Banana
guns.
shield, push that for real.
How much of them get reboot? Two?
Two.
Well, we could have pushed it still like for two.
Me still real back on spam.
One next team, I push up too.
Alright, so fall back.
Nah, give them the time of day.
They have sniper too. Me take 122 wide.
I'm still so fucking pissed off. I'm even, brother. Feel like I'm a mother. Fuck. Yeah, I was family to one shotgun.
Hey, dead body.
Which dead body?
Years.
Not even have a shotgun. All I got was a fucking pistol from my chest.
But that's shame.
That's all I got there.
They
I
got
wanna have no shield. Yeah, that's
So
it.
I'm better machine here.
That's all I got in. Biggie, man. Yeah, man. Biggie them, man. I'm gone, so biggie them.
Why pay a biggie and I yeah, big pot, you know, again a biggie. Calm
Why
down,
give me a
Jamal.
biggie?
Calm down, Jamal.
You hear loose argument, you know. Why you loose argument? Yeah, fuck up a train now.
I mean, so might as well. Cause right now,
Who got sniper ammo? Did I use it?
Map 22.
was
Bien. Nasa alarm mo lang man. Sino
bomb.
grateful sila man. No, yeah, I'm thankful for.
I need a fucking shotgun.
Nah, make it to the make it to that.
Right front there. Rabbit.
Yo, see, look here. Drop your loot.
Oh, tell him I'm dropping loot. I'm not trust him.
Fishing sniper shot him.
So, how are that for?
Right out, pal.
Bro, smart, calm, bro. Smart. Hey, bro. Let me get the blue pistol back though.
No, better players deserve better loot, you know.
Yeah, bro.
And me are the better player.
Send the cross around now.
Get away.
All I loot.
Man, just give him loot, brother.
Bro, cause you're the better player when it comes to me and you, so.
Eh?
You know. But you playing on the Switch?
Yeah, switch player.
Oh.
Come on, come by a pole like big fat.
Take them. Hold on. Move.
I never play on a Switch a day in my life.
Oh. I think it's somebody that play with you,
No,
that
box
play
up
with that
our money.
name on your clan that play on the Switch though.
To max up our money. I drop them, give me.
Some more big pot here, some more big pot here. Can buy from this nigga.
Jada one giant.
It is by I made one.
RPG, bullet.
Yeah, man.
Jada one giant. Not four.
One.
Jada one giant.
Good Jaden.
One.
Jada one giant.
Oh shit, I just
Give me
picked
some
it
air
up.
ammo. Give me some air ammo.
Yeah, who can carry them? Me.
Oh yeah, well.
Me can't carry me them.
Yeah, who carry them? I'm trying to let them know.
Yeah, 3 big guys.
What air ammo do you say?
Not the ammo.
Yo, cash busting. Go for cash now.
Where?
Go take cash
Yeah,
from
shotgun.
them. Which one we have food from? Yo, man of war. What about them? Fall.
Go on.
Let the car.
Yo, up at the mountain there.
Yeah, man, on there.
Dead power them up like Gavan. Look at
Are real players there?
Bro, I just see him not even build.
Of course, are real players. Surprise.
They asked though, they asked. Bomb bucket. More man there besides them.
Hold on.
A two team. Fight smart guys, fast
Yeah,
guys.
yeah, freaking lock.
Yeah, they in the box right here. They all in the box right
Two
here.
different teams, watch yourself.
They all in the box.
One of them shield.
Bomb bucket! Oh, let them don't for me. Hold on, I'm not ill. I'll let them dog in my face. What the fuck is this scope?
Come here.
People are shooting from forward.
Me kill two. Me kill two. Look at that. Jane, good?
Supposed to be.
Storm.
Yeah, I'm good.
Shit, we didn't have a key card for that shit, you know.
Woman from behind, come.
That's just,
You can make it, no? Jesus. No food for poor.
Never cover face one. Watch out. Oh, shit.
Give me sit, that's make it.
More people are back away.
I know. What's that from morning?
Yeah. See him there, come down.
Keep running.
Just keep swimming.
What?
What is he connected to?
What? That makes you think. No, where you make it police, my PG.
Yo, man, come close.
You got lights on you?
I can't believe TG really make him finish one while ago. Bro,
You getting card at least? Getting card.
Yeah, I'ma get it.
Why that's all done?
game freaking a lot.
What?
Both, one shot. Oh my god. Try land for the car. Don't push him. Below you.
Nah, masuk na Jordan. Sivan na Jordan.
What's you?
Sivan na.
Don't keep it on. Don't shoot him left foot. Yeah.
Really
The
Jordan.
dog said shoot him in the foot.
Oh my god.
Yo, pick him up. I'll go back for someone.
He dead. He's dead though. I'm gonna get the kill. I got he's no, don't go, he's dead, so you don't gotta worry about nothing.
Let me go.
The kid is dead though. It's hitting for what, 1?
Alright, got one guy now.
Is he good?
Yeah, he's dead,
He's dead, man.
It's free. It's nobody there.
Alright,
I don't have no whites though. You only got 3 band-aids.
I need to fucking reboot, man. Whatever. Where the fuck is this from? That me notice everybody shot from here.
If you know any vending machines. God no. If you see any vending machines. Yeah.
Come on, nigga. Recharge already. Credit there, man. Credit there.
Respect.
But me, I think of a way. Oh, the thing we do give away.
Me pussy clan. I take follow me today. I'm sitting here fuck up. The make it no whites.
Nah.
Any food report? Any spare change?
Bro,
You can take some fall damage though.
You know
Will be 30.
two fucking kills. Yeah, bro, like, my driver's just
bro.
so fuck up.
We all that 2 and 3.
I just reboot my graphics drivers.
Yeah, if you want, you can take some storm damage.
What?
Get knocked up quick. We'll be 30.
That's a me one lucky E.
Medkit.
Not if I get a steady 120 though.
Walk in, I have out my fan. I made it. Pull it number that full second chest. Mini. Mini.
Run some of them many though.
Yeah, I'm getting a mini.
Some of your batty wall.
Can't 2, 3, 5 just a minute.
Yo, that give man a big pad. I say fucking nice. Now be air mo.
Drop no.
Much I need.
No shotgun?
Come on, just
shotgun. 50 shotgun. Shotgun, I drop on the 50 shotgun.
One AR. Give me like about 2 bills.
2 bills.
Yeah, man. Yeah, yes sir.
Around 2 bills.
I said thou shall ask and receive.
I have 500 SMG ammo to man in the SMG ammo.
Man, you're friggin' SMG.
Shotgun on the 55.
How about your talent?
Huh?
Yeah, big what you say?
Chairman, that car?
I hit that window, bro. I swear that shit should have hit him in the face.
Yo, Llama that? Llama!
Where?
Mama Clad! Me and my best friend.
Oh, you mean the water?
Which one?
Every man wanna beat the donkey, you watch him. Watch him.
You're the box out there.
One beating the donkey. Silly.
Max up all with 30 man. I'm not talking about the dog.
No, sir.
When does they have beat the donkey? Yo, see what medallion? They don't collect the medallion there, man. They don't collect the medallion there.
Go feed them, no?
You got sniper ammo?
Yeah, 50.
Got you.
Go feed and care, come give me.
You want that
good boy.
Clan medallion?
Yeah, good boy. I say you're gonna give 50 shield, brother. Like that time.
Yeah, bro. What's that done?
Yo, man, never asked.
Same for 1 right now, Jordan.
No, man, you don't have a picnic for mine.
The clothes went for 2.
I'll give suck.
Jesus Christ,
Well,
Tell her, don't go over there.
Oh, he's gonna die. He's gonna die to storm. You don't even gotta do nothing.
Man, up top, match up top.
I have a sniper, you know. I just see a man
Up top,
ride
bro.
out while ago.
Yeah,
Yeah, he gliding off.
20 blue.
You did not.
Brother, where's a good ammo that? Where's a good ammo?
I have 300.
Yeah, watch out. A man down there, sir.
Man, them
They
say
get
me
sniper
not
now.
stab, man, not even there. Halfway close.
Push fast.
Brass, Jordan, you're not good.
Dead.
Bro,
You're good, man. You make it in. Man, like. Yo, next
You
circle,
have
next
lights?
circle, next circle.
Oh, me need that.
Yeah,
Next
man.
circle,
Yeah.
next
Me have
circle,
kit.
next
Me have
circle,
Pull
kit.
next circle. You have kit.
Look up on me SMG to box.
Jump it, punch
need
it,
a
mask.
med kit?
Miss
Yeah, man,
Kitty gal.
definitely.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Lean on me
Oh, you go palalala.
when you're not strong.
Out of you, drop a cup.
Alright. You're my artist friend.
Walk.
357 shit bag would like to join the lobby. Brother, why we not play rock, brother? All them man you want to join. They play cricket, nobody at all.
The love you that nice, huh?
You see it? All of us, dog shit Jamaicans. Together, in harmony.
No, that never
Mothers will
got.
be singing.
No, where you
Mothers will
get.
be telling.
I don't know where you get our money from. No, I have never
Open
played a
the mother, we
Jamaican
will-
lobby.
Open the mother. Yo, the lobby go stack, Yo, complete together, together. Have
Yeah,
fun
yeah.
for the match.
But you know, say, are you the all the way ahead of way? So if shot for start fire, you alone know dead.
You dead first.
Yo, go pick one healer dog. Go take the healer dog. Go take the healer and use box up on brick. Go box up on brick and farm back.
Alright, we are nominate him as IGL.
Yeah, me just did that,
Give no bad comes there.
Man behind. Shot 31. Him alone.
Firing.
That dead.
Can't see him. Oh, him did
Push
that.
that fast.
Firing.
Bomb sniper. You have sniper.
But you have a sniper while ago, you see pussy.
Kill this fast.
Oh shit, look at that.
Ah, you think what?
100.
I mean,
Watch out, I know me air, no reload.
who was that?
Me pussy clad. Yo.
Bro, my air take forever to reload.
You make it.
You make it there.
Me know.
Alright, I'm drinking a
You
bit
make it.
water.
Alright.
Tell a lie, I beg some air bullet.
Not me healing out now open. Not me
Bomb
fucking
pick up,
healing out
pick up,
now
pick up.
open.
Me running towards the air.
Oh, what you need, John? Some AR ammo?
Alright, good.
Maybe
Okay.
get
one good sniper.
Jada, yeah, man. See after.
Roll, Jordan, roll!
Run, what can do?
Nervous enough, say, muno.
People over here, sir.
No, go
Snipe.
circle.
Circle.
Listening to the IGL,
Shoot and go circle.
Shoot off a who?
The first we have to top.
Oh, just 16 for the one height. 116 for him. Best sniper in the
Middle
fucking game.
circle.
Yeah. Now,
Middle far circle. Middle deep circle.
alright, go in deep circle.
I'm gone.
Play for next circle.
Smile just no
Now
scope
watch what.
somebody.
TJ, come now, man.
Now listening to the
Alright.
IGL, my G.
Go to the mountain, go.
Yeah, we have a lead towards zone already, you know. Forward.
Yeah. Come on the mountain. He said, any move we are like. I try sitting on mark, brother. Alright.
Here was one under that bridge too.
Yo, go take the mountain.
3 kills up. Them on the pan side. So I guess a 2v1.
Take him mountain.
Taking the
Watch
mountain.
the bush.
Just spam and wood.
Yeah.
Oh, watch in front right here.
Alright, that's alright. Malone, spread. Next one. That's one. Keep up on the mountain.
Let him
39.
peek.
39. Watch this up.
Teed.
Like a 26, cock. Bombo class snipe. Come get me.
Getting you.
Stick.
Hold on.
Good, you're nice.
You're good.
Yeah. Good. You have to go back in.
Watch your head top.
What the
Go
fuck?
back in. Go to Jordan. The kid right here.
Wow!
Yeah, the man about.
Medallo.
Bro, this kid is so annoying. Wanna shoot him out?
Watch circle.
Yeah, watching circle.
Two, I think, a two solo. No. One, two solo.
Bro, he's still on height. He's not from the come down. No matter how good of a player you
Watch
want.
circles this way.
Circle, go back to it.
No matter how much of a good player you want to be to them, you're now win the game. We don't now win. Just give up.
Tag him 26 up top.
One the right in front of me somewhere. Like there's no freaking way.
Tag him 26. Cock up top. Move, come back.
What?
Cock, dead. She make it there? It worked? I know it.
No. 3v2.
It did work, brother, it did work. Come here.
What? What?
Zien, you alone. 2v1, Zien, 2v1.
You can't call to me?
No, you did. You alone, you're good. Come on, Zien, I got this. Try snipe on.
I'm not peak.
Yeah, man, come down, climb up.
One is coming down. Bro, the man them just whole fucking height!
If that one man never, one fucking solo dog, why am I trying fucking solo squad with? Fucking idiot. You should have got, yo.
This solo brother figure, this solo figure up everything, brother.
He solo fuck up everything I got dog because, yes, he fucking solo killed TJ.
Good game.
Me I shoot at 5 months, you know, man, nah, let go TJ, you know.
That was a good
Man, I said, come
one.
here. You man, well, I put TJ's here, you want TJ playing upstairs a wall. And the man I walk through it. Yo, come on, Calabi.
And a good game, that dog. We got 180 points all of them. Hamburger.
Wow, just you. I doubt me gain 10.
Change it back to sitting there.
Maybe get all 2.
Oh, what part leader?
Diamond 3, see there?
I'm getting some. Oh, man.
No, we
Come on, I eat
Diamond
tonight,
1. Get a lot, bro.
I eat tonight, man.
Diamond 3, what percentage?
I get 16%, not that bad. So I go from like 70% diamond to 16%.
Alright, here I go. Just do a one credit. Oh, me I go get it. I give one digital credit to somebody. What in the chat? Just text so you can see. Steppeness, God. Not even you, me I get Travis. Cause you don't want it.
Yeah, but did you
What do you want? I was easy there, now I'm not useful.
Yes, they are alive all the time and I make say some out of pocket stuff.
Yeah, but I don't like a you. I don't like a you. I don't like a you on TikTok, oh. Ray, I can't cause my word like.
You see next time, me live.
Nah, tell you.
You're not tell me. I am a good friend, so I go pop up on phone and I go say, Gavin live. I used to become my love it hype on the field like any normal Jamaicans.
You see when you start talking about your stuff, I hear you make girl them start pop off phone. Me! I make the whole world know.
Yeah, you're the man.
Now keep something in girls class in a Gavin, yeah, forward.
That girl is already man, that's what fucking with.
Hey,
Lama,
Gavin, left Lama alone. Fuck it.
Either all the way up on left side, I'm up left side.
Leave it the fuck alone, left the donkey.
You see donkey, It don't care what this thing.
You're the man with the stammering.
You see it?
You see it? You don't see nothing at all.
La palabra,
Show you.
Pleasant.
Mark, let me see.
Yeah, Mark, yeah, Mark. That's where the bus come from. Back when I said it. No, back one the side.
But I understand. Oh, you episode llama from so far.
Just better monitor, bro.
Your map just bright,
No,
brother.
the pan here too, no? No, the pan here. I settings for the setting them on for the monitor. Number 244 alien way.
My apologies. My apologies. Should
I
have told me
remember
that
244 LG
should have told me that my mouth.
Sansom Odyssey.
Should have told me.
Yeah, you have a better drop than this dude right here, OPS. You went over here though.
OPS.
Where?
OPS Unloved. Unloved. Kill him on them, Unloved. Kill him on them, Unloved.
29 white.
Jump on that. No chest figure.
Obia. Bro, I always get this big dirty shitty gun out there. Damn sitting them.
So push them fast. Go kill them fast. Move the bomb back, lad.
On me.
One lot,
Mistake
pussy.
him.
One lot. Oh, you kill him. Big dirty waste, man.
Suck yourself, bitch. Suck your daddy. Suck your daddy.
Rascal. Man, fuck him in the
Kill him,
back.
man, no.
Oh, I'm gonna kill him, man. I'm gonna get him reloaded.
One shot, brother.
One lie? What's the one, brother?
There is my first.
You can't tell them big old lie, the dog. No, sir.
Alright, the general, quick.
I will buy it all big pot them.
I'll buy what I like.
I'll buy it all pot them, brother.
I shall buy what I like. When I put echo. I shall buy what I like. Them somebody have to stream, you know.
Are you in a stream, pussy?
No.
Stream.
My Wi-Fi, I'm
Imagine you live a foreign. You know, say, I feel like a Hawaii run go over nearby yard. I get the Wi-Fi. Because I say you have foreign, I have Wi-Fi problem.
my grandfather can pick up T-Mobile.
Who uses
No, man, no Wi-Fi.
Brother, I'm not even there foreign and I would have never used T-Mobile.
Nah, T-Mobile not bad. I have Verizon right now, but I had T-Mobile before I went on Verizon with my wife.
So why you switch?
Cause my wife had Verizon, but I'd rather T-Mobile with Verizon. Like we soon switch back probably.
No matter what you, like the host Wi-Fi matter what you.
TJ.
Host Wi-Fi, no, host Wi-Fi Verizon.
TJ.
Oh.
TJ.
Host Wi-Fi Verizon.
Yeah, Jamaican, don't it?
Yeah,
I
was born here though, so.
Like an American after your tongue.
I've been here my whole life.
Let the inner Jamaican loose. Let the inner Jamaican. Look at Gavan. Look how Gavan there for it all though. He can't talk.
Can't talk, bro. What's he talking about, bro?
What the fuck is
that? Can't talk to me, mom, and you can't. That's it. One thing about me, my voice, though. That's speaking English, like my voice just get really high.
From my ear, my face, you see my voice. I know what time it is.
Real high.
Right, Gavan, from my ear, my face, you see my voice. I know what time it is.
Most of the time, I just talk fast, like my voice actually deep.
I will really have that shit there.
I have a bite already.
I want that one.
Bite already.
I will get
Like
that.
get the one we say. Like get the one with Uncle on TikTok. Alright, next one, we go. Lion! Lion!
Especially when them a ball about one shot. Cause you see them ball about one shot, nigga.
Forget what I said. Lazy,
People over yourself, people yourself. Alright.
See, I'm about to see.
Who's playing that?
People are right there, yeah?
I'm about to see.
No man, on the bat man. Hey, I thought about carrying to pass for across the road. One top tell me 40 man, I might go get shot.
Yeah, but he's only 2 guys up there. Run away.
Gavin over here mislead me and tell me about bat. You know what I know bat no?
Make it there, say no. Make it. Come on, for them. Mukhla, sniper, I'm grab that. Big party of your man.
Big one car skip a busting on me head.
I sexy guys that you want to give me a head.
Oh, pussy. Pussy turn red.
Gymnastics. Pussy.
I want the pussy there.
You remember that one old man there?
3 minutes.
Who upgraded? Who upgraded? Come here. National anthem. Where there? Get away with that. National anthem. Get away.
Ah, the traversal emotes. Yes, it
Yeah. Hey. Gaba, who tell them? Oi, them, bro. You see anthem, you see the anthem, Reaper. I always say right foot creep, dog, don't know how we do it. Smoke ganja, bag fish and the sheet. Oh, okay. But I know what's soon. I spot the reboot, God. Where am I go? I say right foot creep, dog, don't know how we do it. Smoke ganja, bag fish and the sheet.
Yeah, I don't want them thing there.
Baby, regular.
Back to the bathroom, no time about
I want to shake up a messy something.
Yeah, Jake. Yeah, man. Right, look at what sack.
Shout out on the live to my one crush. Yeah, hold on, give me that one there. Take that one. No man, that's good that shit, man.
People.
Where?
On us.
What I do over there, man? Come in, Gava. Quick. Yeah, Jagad. We don't die dead, please.
Don't die dead. Okay.
Who this?
One of them white.
My name TD Officer. One of the blue skin is low.
Next man.
Where?
Take his time.
Oh my god.
Where?
Bomboka,
as much as I am. Stop your mother.
Oh my god.
Bomboka, dog.
Nah, I think it's 2 different. We fighting 2 different teams. 2 different teams. Yeah, 2 different, full 2 different teams. That's crazy.
We get playing time, that makes sense?
Share the
And we wasn't
man,
even
brother.
that far from each other.
Share the man, brother. Like
Bang him.
Come see.
There
There will be no banging. There will be no banging unless it's around a phone. No banging unless it's on a phone.
Battery.
Anybody wanna play Luigi?
Yeah, he's sitting there. Diamond tree.
Yeah, man, I gotta reach elite soon, man.
No banger.
23% diamond tree already. Easy to rank up though.
Yeah, man, I said it on your PS Sports.
Make a do as our solos. Your rage quit and come off.
Yeah, solo, me been gone off, and my first game, I done the rage quit.
Old houses and small towns with
So
sad
yeah,
stories.
vibes too.
We are not hustling to impress or
Hello? Hello? Nobody back up for her ring.
Remember that I was saying for that
My
chat,
Clara, man, I'm my Clara.
Hello?
My Clara, man, I'm my Clara.
Hello?
Tell you who have one bumbo Clara, Matthew. Matt Jam, you know what? Matt Jam sitting there. See it?
Hey, what?
Like, go, me say that, I go phone ring one time, me say, well, I be full of money, man. Them say, bumbo Clara, I want that.
Hello?
I say, Lord, man, I'm in Clara,
Hello?
dog.
No, what the Clara? Dog.
I don't know about the Clara, Jordan. I don't know about the Clara, Jordan.
I'm
You
a
never get
child.
the Clara, you know? Never have a Clara, you know? Never have a Clara for you. Tell me, say, have a Jamaica, one blue.
Oh gosh, no, you
Huh?
talk about phone.
Or, no, like I bought press, I'm
Oh,
talking
they
about
get it
too.
out here for some time. Yeah, better right now, I feel like
I bought press blue, them used to have
yeah,
the.
right now, I just feel like I want to go up on the highway, dog, and just do 180 and see what going on.
Yeah, the man,
Yeah,
but I go
police
for the
idiot.
highway.
Brother,
Police
me?
are pull you over. What you do?
I go to the airport all the time, I done, dog. Just go do 180 and see what going on. If I come back, I just, thank God.
Reach out back seat.
Me say,
If. My mind chip right now, brother.
me used to play fucking snake game for Nokia. I follow to Samsung, I play a little black game, them, a little fruit game, them.
Oh,
The
yeah,
first
yeah.
Candy Crush ever come out. Bumbo lad. When you call it Diamond Crush. Mr. Look like a
Sometimes I
diamond,
see I
man.
think you're a real game man, man.
Yeah, you like
Sure,
joke.
sure. That talk to me.
Who could have talked to me? I have first look Xbox, I sell the game.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, watch out. Fuck off with that life right now. I mean, thanks for everyone who supported me.
Okay, that's better.
Don't know, I think already.
I would think, oh, alarm that, yan alarm.
So my good supporters them did there, so man, so like some real G.
Oh, how mushroom?